Hi everybody, today recipe is going to be kale rice, and we already have our rice started to not prolong this video. So you just want to have it where it's done. So that's done, so we're going to move this up to the side. So we minced our 2 cloves of garlic, and you want to put your saute pan or small skillet, put your 1 tablespoon of olive oil in there, or you can use whatever kind of oil you have on hand. Just let that heat up a little bit more, because you want to, when you put the garlic over there, you want to hear the nice sizzle, and you don't want to get you don't want it to fry too hard, too quick, but you want to just hear the nice sizzle. So I'm gonna slide it over to the side while we wait for the oil to heat up, and I'm going to, you don't need the stem for the rice, even though that has a lot of nutrients and everything in there. Just gonna, I normally just do it like this because it makes it easier to keep hold of your kale. So kale is a form of cabbage. It contains a lot of vitamins and different things like that for you. It is also, did you know that 1 cup of kale, it has more vitamin C in it than 1 medium-sized orange. So the recipe calls for 2 cups of finely diced or chopped kale. So you roll it up and go for what you know. So anything, you make sure to place your hands correctly on the knife so that it in the right way, you stay full longer. So it's good for people who's on diet. So if you watched my previous video with the green smoothie, we did have kale over in there. Kale can also help with arthritis. It helps reduce the swelling and relieve the causes of pain. It has a lot of omega-3s. It makes it great for people who are suffering with these kinds of things to ease the pain. So we're gonna stir these a little bit more, and now it's about done. Okay, so the other good thing about this is I have 2 special need kids, and sometimes it's hard to get them to eat their vegetables, and my son, sometimes we have to hide vegetables and other things. So he loves his rice, potatoes, and stuff like that. So this is a way for me to get him to eat his green vegetables. So there you have it. We have kale rice. It's just that simple. It's very nutritious. Today the recipe calls for brown rice, but you can use whatever rice you prefer. Today we use jasmine rice because we're going to be sampling out at market today. For that makes it easier for vegans and people who are gluten-free. So if you have any questions or concerns, please send us messages on our Facebook and Instagram page, either York Fresh Foods Farms or Y Sauce, and we will be happy to answer any of your questions. Until next time, catch you later.